corn, which is also elote. It's like Mexican street kind of thing. So we got the goods. This is what it looks like. Basically, it's corn, but it's rolled up in like mayo, lime, cheese, and tajin, which is like a spice. And I'm really excited. And you can taste the spice. I love the name, and I got the Walking Dead tacos not knowing that it was going to be in a Doritos bag, but we have shredded chicken, walking tacos topped with lettuce, tomato, cheese, sour cream, and salsa. This is also a kid's favorite, which I didn't know, but it's pretty good. I just didn't know it was going to be in a Doritos bag. Consensus. Food can be kind of messy, so maybe not first day idea. It's a little bit, food truck prices can be a little bit high, but it's really cool because it's kind of like street food culture too. So I totally recommend going next year. It's an annual thing in Savannah and it grows each year.